Get ready, start. Charsada residents have expressed deep concern over the lack of measures to control the alarming increase in dengue cases in different localities of Charsada district. Full stop. A total of 771 cases of dengue have so far been reported in the district. Full stop. New para. A health department spokesperson Dr. Zishan Hayat said a total of 771 active cases had so far been detected in the district, adding out of whom, 21 patients were under treatment in hospitals, while rest of them were being treated at homes by mobile medical teams. Full stop. Dr. Zishan said fumigation was going on in the affected areas through a fogger machine, while medicines were also being provided to patients. Full stop. He appealed to the people to strictly follow the precautionary measures to prevent spread of dengue. Full stop. On the other hand, the people said local lawmakers, including a provincial minister from Charsada, had not taken any effective steps to prevent dengue. Full stop. New para. They decided, though the highest number of dengue cases in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa had been reported from Charsada, no contact or meeting had been made with either the chief minister or the provincial health minister so that urgent steps could be taken to prevent dengue. Full stop. New para. They demanded that the government provide more fogger machines, medical equipment and necessary resources on an emergency basis to control dengue. Full stop. 3 killed people, including a woman, were shot dead in separate incidents in the limits of Tangi police station. Full stop. The police said a resident, Kamran Khan, shot dead his wife over a family dispute in Karun Derai area. Full stop. New para. They said on the report of the deceased sister, a case was registered against the accused, his brother and father. Full stop. In addition, in another incident, Oves, a resident of Lundi Bazar, was killed over a verbal altercation. Full stop. Ikram Humayun, a brother of the deceased, said Ali Hassan, along with his father, shot dead his brother after a verbal altercation. Full stop. Separately, Ghafar Ali, a resident of Station Kale, shot at and injured Abbas, of the same area, over an old enmity. Full stop. The injured filed a report against the accused, telling the police he was going to the market to buy some items when Ali opened fire on him, leaving him seriously injured. Full stop. Later, Abbas succumbed to injuries in the hospital. Full stop. New para. Peshawar, the health department has launched crackdown on manufacturing and sale of spurious drugs as part of an initiative to ensure provision of safe drugs to people. Full stop. New para. Cases were brought forward under Section 11 of Drug Act, 1976, by drug inspectors from Directorate General Drug Control and Pharmacy Services, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Full stop. These included reports from various districts such as Peshawar, Charsada, Haripur, Banu, Mardan, Noshera, Batagram, Dera Ismail Khan, Kohat, and Mansehra. Full stop. Each case was examined in the presence of the accused, the relevant drug inspectors and officials from drug testing laboratory. Full stop. Following through deliberation, PQCB ordered the lodging of 29 FIRs. Full stop. It referred 36 cases to drug courts for legal proceedings. Full stop. Additionally, 18 cases were sent to appellate laboratory at National Institute of Health NIH, Islamabad, for retesting under Section 22 of Drug Act. Full stop. 7 warnings were issued to violators, 2 cases were remanded back to drug inspectors for further investigation, and 4 cases were deferred to next meeting. Full stop. In several instances, drug sale licenses were cancelled and medical outlets were sealed for selling spurious and unregistered medicines, said the statement. Full stop. New para. Reaffirming its zero tolerance policy towards counterfeit drugs, the board directed launch of a province-wide awareness and enforcement campaign. Full stop. It also instructed PCDA and PPMA representatives to initiate awareness efforts in their respective sectors, emphasizing the importance of purchasing medicines only from authorized distributors, maintaining proper purchase warranties and ensuring full compliance with drug laws and regulations. Full stop. Beru Report.